It's 42 degrees today. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. It is day 3, okay? And I am starting this vlog from the car and my glasses are leaning. But anyway, cold as hell this morning. On our way to Walgreens, my baby girl's getting her flu shot. It's 42 degrees today, okay? Anyway, y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, calireddglam. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below, okay? To my returning glam squad, welcome back. Y'all know the vibes over here. Yeah, like I said, we're about to go on Walgreens. I don't know why I put this flannel on because it's 42 degrees. I do have my beanie on, but I don't know why I put my flannel on because it's still cold as hell. I want this long trench sweater from Shein. I don't really see myself wearing a big red sweater, but like a low-key dark brown sweater, I'd like that. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can get it off of there. Hopefully it's on sale, but I'm gonna check it out and see if I can find it because I really want a good sweater to wear when it's like just throwing it on to take the kids to school in the morning will be very convenient for me, as well as kind of elevating the look on a winter's morning, okay? They got in here. Y'all got some Cyber Monday deals in Walgreens. I can't believe that it's sunnier than yesterday, but colder than yesterday. Eating Nerds for my baby girl. This is the new candy. Nerds Juicy Gummy Clusters. They're actually really good. I bought 2 Christmas gifts out of Walgreens. I can't show them because, yeah, baby boy, we know you watching the vlogs. We gotta be very careful. I hate that I wore this flannel again. All right, we getting ready to actually go and get, well, my baby girl want breakfast. I really don't. What I really would like to have is like a Dutch Bro peppermint, but what I fear is that the lines are too long. Like, they're starting to irritate me like Starbucks used to, but they just are more pleasant, and so I like them a lot.
So not over 1935.
It was an older guy in there. He's 90 years old. He wanted to get his flu shot, but he could not get it because his insurance would have made him pay. He was just like a spunky 90-year. He was like, he was walking good. I said, damn, he walked damn near better than me. That was so funny.
Dang, I felt bad though. He said I liked you when you walked up. Is it her fault that you have Kaiser?
But it's like, why would you even say that to her? You ain't too old to be being disrespectful like that. Because when she tried to charge him, he said, well, I liked you better when I walked up. Well, I'm pretty sure she liked you better now that you walking away. How about that?
I thought that was really disrespectful. I don't know.
I told you guys that I've been doing like my little save box where I can save like a couple dollars. I save up to the end of the week, or I save it for a month in that little payment box I do for myself. I'll still just go and take it out and just, I'll take it out and just take it straight to the bank if I feel like it for that end of the week. Hell, even if it's the end of a half a week. So that's what I'm going to go do.
A turkey and some mistletoe.
My mom liked this artist, Aaron Neville. I got back in the car just in time to hear it. Back up in the house, and I was at Walgreens, and look what I found. A 24-day chocolate days till Christmas Advent calendar. They're only $1.79. I don't even know where my receipt is. I'm gonna open it now. I am so mad that I have this type of advent calendar. I do this every year where I'm searching for an advent calendar, and I'm talking about it throughout the entire week. I didn't get an advent calendar, but I found one, but I found it late because I've already posted day 1 and day 2, which day 2 is not up yet, but by the time that you see this, you will see day 2. That's what the candy looked like. Okay, that's day 1. Day 2. Oh, it looked like it might be a wreath. I'm glad they're little tiny candies because really, you don't want like to have a huge piece of candy with an Advent calendar. And this one, I feel like it may not be that bad, but I will eat number 3. Since today is day 3, I'll just go in on this one for day 3. Oh, it's a little Christmas tree. Oh, it fell. A little Christmas tree. Let's see how it tastes. It's all right. I also bought a little, I can't show it. And I also bought me some regular candies. I bought me a Delight and a Reese's Chocolate Lava Cup. Those are mine. And then I bought one more thing, and this is really a gift for all of the kids. And I'm going to show you a hint because I can't really show it, but I'm going to still kind of show it. Okay, I can only show you this. It's a Brookstone. If you know, you know. This can also be used for parties. That's the other hint and the last hint that I'll give you. I'm not cooking for Christmas either. We're going to do a grand breakfast. We got this idea from my baby girl's best friend. So I'm thinking about doing that. But anyway, y'all, that's pretty much all I got. I'm going to go shopping a lot more next week. This is cool to have. I always wanted like a makeup Advent calendar, and I always miss the Black Friday sale and the Cyber Monday deals to even, you know, like get one for a good price. If I can find one, I will, but I want like a 12-day one now that I got this. But maybe I could find one. But I was just like, let me get one so I can already have one because my baby girl found one too. Anyway, I'm going to edit down the rest of my day 2. I'm going to probably post it for like 4 o'clock. All right, y'all, it's a little bit later, but I'm getting ready to go pick up the girls from school, and then I'm about to let them go buy some pajamas, some bottom pajamas from the store so that they can have some while we do the tree. Because if y'all will see yesterday's vlog, y'all see my little tree in the back. I call it my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. That particular tree has not been decorated. Really more today, I was late with editing my vlog. So because this is the first day I'm actually vlogging in real time, it was kind of hard. See, yesterday I was able to do all my editing, but because it was from prepping Thanksgiving, and then today vlog is actually well, it's prepping and cooking, and the one before that was preparing like my list and shop. Today is actually in real time. Really soon, really soon, I believe I'm going to do it tomorrow. I need to do a little bit of a beauty maintenance. Need to do some lashes, but I'm kind of hating that my lashes be kind of like, they be coming out with that glue. Yeah, let's go do that. My nails is looking a hot mess. This ain't right. And I need to go Christmas shopping too. I'm going to do some Christmas shopping this week, maybe on Thursday and Friday, or maybe tomorrow and Friday. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, let me head out. And when I get back, I really want to make me like a coffee drink. Not a coffee drink. Let me stop. I have a peppermint creamer, and then I also have a peppermint white Russian. And I want to I kind of want to doctor it up and make some dinner, possibly a girl dinner. So yeah, let me head out. We're not even in here looking at what we're supposed to get. She's going to make some more of those cupcakes from Thanksgiving. So I'm grabbing her some baking cups. Oh, for the baby. Yeah, I think I am going to get it now because then he could just already have it. The stirring spoons. Look how cute those are. And then you can actually gift these. Look, girlies. You give them to your friends. These are cute. Chicken sandwich. Alright, I'm at Dollar Tree. Oh, eyelash and brow serum. This is kind of cute. We're not getting much out of here, y'all. I'm in here for a short time, not a long time. Let me see. Bronzer drops. I do need a liquid. I do need another one of these. I think I'm just getting one, which is my favorite color. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with them. These are cute. They got the little hats on them. Which one is this? You said it was SpongeBob. Cute, cute, cute. What is this? The girls are making these tonight. I'm gonna show them later though. I got these tiki rum cut water drinks. I have tiki rum hurricane, peppermint, then I have the lemon drop martini. I had a pineapple in my hand at first, but I was like, I already tried it. It tastes really good too, just like the peppermint white Russian. Those are my 2 favorites. And then for the tiki, is that tiki rum punch? Yeah. I got this peach shot, and then for the lemon drop, I got this pineapple shot. I know I did say I was gonna make like a little Christmas type drink, but I think I'm gonna save my peppermint white Russian for later.
Today we don't need a season, and I know I'ma take you out, mama. Oh, you want those? You can have it all. This is just how it goes. Give me everything, so I'm giving you more. Yeah, this is for the mamas. Yeah, yeah. I'm saying it's an honor.
All right, y'all, my baby girl just put this up for me. I ran in and got the hooks from Lowe's. And then I'm going to hang something else on the sides of it, I think. Let me know, y'all. Just should I put something on the side, or should I just leave it by itself? Let me know. We're going to start trying to decorate some stuff. Now, this is just some. Girl, getting it poppin'. I'll show y'all mine when they done. I don't like that I'm vlogging it, so yeah, she got silent. And these ones.
Cookies, cookies.
Cookies, cookies, Christmas cookies. Ooh, they're done. Okay, let me taste one. Let me taste one. Let me taste one. I'm gonna go buy another one of these so they can do their TikTok challenge though, because we ate these without doing the challenge. So we're done with the cookies y'all saw, and my baby girl did the wreath. It's so cute. I'm trying to do a little bit more minimal. Let me stop lying. It may not be minimal, but I want it to not be so crowded when I do my decorations. I made me a drink. And I'm a bit feeling it already. So who knows if editing is going to get done for tomorrow, okay? Anyway, y'all look at my cute girl dinner, okay? And it's on a Christmas plate. Hold on, let me show you guys. I have some pretzels that I'm going to put in this jalapeno. I think it's a habanero, not jalapeno. It's a habanero dip. Then I have a piece of fried fish. Yes, I do. A Oreo cakester and a Christmas cookie, and I ate one downstairs. And then it says cookies. It's supposed to show it though. It's supposed to say cookies for Santa. Literally, it's packed. Hey y'all, before I start going in on my girl dinner, I want to show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. But I went to my favorite Dollar Tree and I found it. It's Edge Wax. And so this keeps your edges slicked down for a long time, like all day. When I say I found these, I was so excited. So I also bought this because my baby girl told me about Shea Butter Edge and Braid Gel. This is new. I have to try it out. This is in Sweet Honey. Love this color. This is my favorite color from them. So I want to make sure I show you guys that. I was going to do my lashes tonight, but I'm not doing it. We will be doing the lashes tomorrow. It's time to tear up some girl dinner. Let me know how you guys are feeling Vlogmas this year, because I'm literally doing this in real time. Like, I'm vlogging the day before. After you guys saw my Thanksgiving stuff, I'm vlogging the day before, and then I am posted it the next day. And sometimes you got to get that thumbnail together in the morning.
A merry little Christmas, love.